Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the dent and confirming whether the bottle is single wall or vacuum insulated, because that determines repair risk. Next, remove lid and any internal parts, drains, and dry thoroughly. You want tools close: a wooden dowel, rubber mallet, silicone pad, and a heat source like hot water. Once ready, position the bottle on a padded surface so the dent faces up. This reduces tension and makes manipulation safer. Make sure you tape sharp edges to protect the finish before you start driving out metal. You heat the dent area with hot water at roughly 120–160 degrees F per minute to raise metal temperature and increase malleability. This reduces cracking risk. Once warm, insert the wooden dowel inside. For removable bases or support from outside with a silicone pad, gently tap outward with a rubber mallet, using light controlled strikes. Pause frequently to check shape, reheat as needed, and rotate the bottle so you approach the dent from different angles. Make sure to avoid heavy hits that can stretch or crease the steel. You finish by cooling the repaired area slowly with room temperature water to normalize metal stress, then dry and buff with a non-abrasive cloth. Use a small amount of metal polish to restore shine. If a dent remains stubborn, try a suction cup or a compact vacuum pump to pull it out, or consider a professional repair if warp or creases persist. If you notice compromised insulation, leaks, or sharp edges after repair, stop using the bottle and replace it to prevent contamination or injury.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.